In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your files here in the Google Sheets app, both on the iPhone and the Android. So I have my Sheets app open right here on the iPhone, and again, whatever I do here would be the same thing if you were to do this on the Android. So if you're searching for some files on your Sheets app, the quickest way to do it would be to go to the search bar at the top where it will say Search in Sheets. So if we tap on it, we can just simply put in the keyword or the file name for the one that we're looking for. Let's say I am looking for the one that has the word let in it. There you have it. How to use the let function in Google Sheets. So if I tap on it, there it is. That is the file that I have been looking for. Again, if you want so instead of searching up and down looking for that file, especially when you have a lot already saved on your Sheets app, just tap on the search bar at the top, put in the keyword for the file that you're looking for. Let's say currencies. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is. We can find our files here in the Google Sheets app, both on the iPhone and the Android. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.